What's up? I'm CYRIL and I'm a first-year medical student in the UP College of Medicine. In this video, I have here a Circle of Willis model, which I created using spaghetti. Honestly, I got hungry while doing this video. First, what we have here is the normal Circle of Willis. We can see here the anterior cerebral artery, wherein we have A1 and A2 arteries, the anterior communicating artery, the middle cerebral artery, the posterior communicating artery, the posterior cerebral artery, wherein we have P1 and P2 arteries, and the basilar artery. The Circle of Willis functions to provide anastomosis, or collateral or backup flow of blood to the brain and surrounding structures. However, there can be variations in the Circle of Willis. Different resources may present several variations wherein there can be aplasia or hypoplasia. Aplasia means that a structure did not develop normally, or in some instances, it means that the structure is absent. Whereas hypoplasia means that a structure is underdeveloped or incompletely developed. In this video, I will represent aplasia with a missing spaghetto. Spaghetto means a single spaghetti strand. If you didn't know that, well, now you know. Meanwhile, I will represent hypoplasia with a thinner strand, which I got from a palabok, which is a Filipino pasta dish. One publication presents the types of variations in the Circle of Willis. Type A is the normal Circle of Willis. Type B is hypoplasia of the anterior communicating artery. Type C is A1 hypoplasia. Type D is unilateral aplasia of the posterior communicating artery. Type E is bilateral aplasia of the posterior communicating artery. Type F is unilateral hypoplasia of the posterior communicating artery. Type G is bilateral hypoplasia of the posterior communicating artery. And type H is for the other rare variations observed. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And you can also share this to others. Thank you and see you on the next video.